Hello everyone, welcome to HT Athena Notes. This is our third video on Python programming. Today we are going to discuss how to do basic logical operations with Python. Python allows only three logical operations. They are AND, OR and NOT. We'll study the first one, AND operation. In AND operation, it returns true if both the operands are true. If any of the operand is false, the output of AND operator is false. Let's try out this example to understand that. 5 greater than true. As we discussed in previous video, when we execute this statement, it returns true. 8 greater than 3. This statement also returns true. If we combine these two statements or two expressions with an AND gate, let's see what the output is. 5 greater than 2 and 8 greater than 3. In the middle, I am going to put the AND operation and execute this. So the AND result is also true because both the operands between the AND operation is true. If any of the above expression is false, AND output also become false. If we put 5 less than 2, that is false one. So let's write 5 less than 2 and 8 greater than 3. This time I have changed this 5 greater than 2 to 5 less than 2. When I run this, the AND operation gives a false value. Now let's write a program with two variables to understand this further. If age is greater than 20 and cutoff marks greater than 70, this is my condition. Print you are selected to the job. Else print you are not selected. This is my program. Let's say if someone comes with age 30 and cutoff marks for the interview is 80. Let's run this program. When we run this program for age 30 and cutoff marks 80, it gives the output you are selected to the job because both the expressions between the AND operator is true. It prints this statement. Let's say the age is 19 and again let's run this code. This time it gives an output as you are not selected because one of the expression has become false. So the output of the AND operator has become false. So it gives the output of else. Now let's learn the OR operator. In operator, it returns true if any of the operand returns true. So let's try the above example with operator 5 greater than 2 or 8 greater than 3. In this case, both the expressions are true. Even though if any statement is wrong, operator still returns true. So let's write 4 less than 2 is false or 8 greater than 3. Now the first expression is false, second expression is correct. Still, operator returns true because any of an expression is true. Now let's write a simple program to identify the operator. I'm going to write if number 1 is greater than 10 or number 2 is greater than 10, print one of the numbers is greater than 10. Else, print both numbers are not greater than 10. Now I am giving number 1 as 11 and number 2 as 9. I am going to run this code now. Since one real number is greater than 10, the output of all operations has become true, so it prints this statement. If both the numbers are less than 10 only, it prints the second statement. Let's assign another two variables to number 1 and number 2. Number 1 as 8 and number 2 as 7. Now I am run this program again. Now it executes the second statement. Both numbers are not greater than 10. Now let's learn the not operator. Not returns opposite of the Boolean value of the operand. If the operand value is true, the not get returns false. Let's say 5 equals 5. This is true. If we put not operator and then 5 equals 5, if we put not operator and then use 5 equals 5, it returns false. Another example, 5 greater than 2, it is true. If we say not 5 greater than 2, it returns false. Let's try another one. 7 is greater than 8. This is false. But if I write not 7 greater than 8, it returns true. So today we have covered logical operations with Python. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment below. Thank you for watching.